Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. So in today's video, the Pleiadians are going to be talking to us about technology and AI. And if you have listened to my videos for a while, you may notice that this is something they haven't talked about much before. They have been keeping pretty quiet about this. And the reason for this is they were watching to see what humans were going to do with it. But in the last energy report, they broke their silence. So today they're going to share a little more information with you if this is a topic that you have been thinking about. And you can't go very many places in the world right now without hearing a discussion about AI. So this is probably something you've been giving some thought to. But before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. Now, in the last energy report, the P's brought up a topic that they've been pretty closed-mouthed about. This is something that they have talked to me a lot about, but they haven't really been ready to share this with the public yet because they were watching to see what was going to happen. Humanity always surprises them. So in the last energy report, they broke their silence and started to talk to us about the importance of just taking a look at our relationship with technology. Now, one of the ways that the P's have been discussing this topic, technology, AI, all the things that humanity is getting its paws into, is by encouraging us to be very thoughtful with our relationship with technology. Now, of course, this is something they've been chatting with us about for years. For a long time, they have been encouraging lightworkers and starseeds to step away from excessive use of external information. They've been warning us about this for several years now, but they never really put it in context for us to explain why they were saying that. So according to the P's, as they have been watching humanity play with AI, the first thing that they told me in the last month's energy report was that humanity has already lost control of it. And they didn't go into any more detail than that, but that statement alone was enough to get my attention. So when they were bringing our attention to technology, they wanted us to understand that this is a big part of the timeline split that we're going through right now. As you know, they've been talking about the separation of timelines for more than 5 years now. And we know in the spiritual community what this is referring to. It means that some humans are choosing to ascend in this lifetime, move into a fifth dimensional or just higher level of consciousness. And a good chunk of the planet is making a different choice. One of the reasons why the timelines are splitting, of course, is because humans can't agree. And as we look around, we see that we can't agree about anything. But there's an aspect to this separation of timelines that the Pleiadians haven't really kind of brought our attention to before. And that is that another aspect of the separation is we're separating into what they're calling organic timelines and inorganic or synthetic, artificial timelines. So what does that mean? Well, on the one hand, the organic timelines are the ones that are reconnecting with source. And as lightworkers and starseeds, that's what we've been trying to do for this entire lifetime, right? And part of the separation of timelines is we're seeing the role that technology plays in the future of this planet's consciousness. So those people who are on what the P's are now calling organic timelines are on a path of reconnecting with source energy. So what does that look like? Well, just as we go about our daily life, we make tons and tons of little decisions. We decide what to eat. We decide what to watch. We decide who to listen to, who to follow. We make decisions about what we put in and do to our bodies. And each of these decisions is anchoring us on a different timeline, depending on the choices we're making. So people who are on an organic timeline, an ascension timeline, are those who are making more natural and organic choices. They are connecting more with the planetary energies, with things that are clean, organic, natural, not as processed and artificial as we're seeing in some of our other choices. Now, how this can look in our daily life if we are on an organic timeline is we're actually starting to step away from technology. Now, when the P's tell us this, they know that technology is the backbone of our life. None of us are going to throw away our cell phones. Most of us are not going to go completely off grid. That's not what they're talking about. But what they're talking about is a more careful use of our technology. So using technology the way it was intended as a support to make our lives easier. But we also have many timelines that are moving in a more synthetic or inorganic direction. And what does that mean? That just means that people are choosing to go more artificial. So these timelines may be making decisions to eat things that are less natural, the artificial foods, the chemical-filled foods, the lower vibrational foods, drinking more things that are artificial, synthetic, choosing to put things in your body that are chemical, synthetic, artificial. So every decision we make, just as we go about our daily life, we are making choices. And one of the big choices that humanity is splitting over right now is how technology is going to be involved in this planet's future. There are, of course, those people who are starting to merge very intensively with technology. They are implanting it in their bodies. They are taking substances, medications, putting things in the body that are synthetic, chemical, artificial. And so as you can see, everything comes down to the choices we make every day. Those little choices that we think aren't that important are anchoring us on different timelines. But here's the thing that the P's wanted us to understand about these synthetic timelines, the artificial timelines, the technology timelines. It is that these timelines are separating humanity from source. These timelines are one where technology is going to replace humans' connection to source energy. Now, as you can imagine, that has some challenging results. And so these timelines are ones where humanity is giving up its sovereignty to technology. And you may have already seen this in some of the people that you know or have met that have already turned a lot of their life decisions over to AI. I know some people who let AI make all of their life decisions. And so what we're seeing, of course, is there is a ton of different choices available to us. And we're seeing people make very extreme choices. And we're seeing people who are taking more moderate approaches to this. And so the P's wanted to draw our attention to how important our choices are around technology. Are you turning over your decision making to it? Are you letting technology run your life? And not in a sense of using it as a tool, but in a sense of almost being addicted to it, not able to put the phone down, not able to break your ties with social media, all of our information platforms out there. Each little decision takes us in a very different direction. So are we making decisions that are more natural, organic, pure, clean, or are we making decisions that are connecting us more with the energy that is synthetic, artificial, technological, because these are going to have very different results. One of these groups of timelines is reconnecting with source, and the other is going to be merging and giving its sovereignty over to technology. So the reason the P's are talking about this is a lot of us haven't really given much thought to this. A lot of us are asking questions about AI. What does it mean? Is this a good thing or a bad thing? But we haven't really stopped to think that every decision we make as we go through our day either connects us more to nature, organic, source, or it connects us more to synthetic, artificial, and technological. And this affects every area of our life. What are you eating? Are you eating clean, organic, natural, unprocessed, unmodified? Or are you eating chemicals, colors, fake ingredients? Each one puts us on a different timeline. And of course, we make these decisions all the time. This is not something where we make a single decision and cement our timeline. But the P's wanted us to know it's time to start giving this some serious thought to what is our relationship with technology. Are we moving our lives in a more organic direction or a more artificial direction? The P's were telling us in the last energy report, this is a major decision point for humanity right now. What direction are you going to go? Are you going more into a merger with technology, or are you going more into a merger with source, with nature, with organic timelines? We didn't realize that we were making this choice necessarily. So that's one of the reasons why the P's wanted to bring this up, bring our attention to it, so that we didn't accidentally give up our sovereignty. because it's very easy to get sucked into our technology, to let it run our life, be the focus of all of our attention, and before we know it, we have ended up on a timeline we didn't know we were playing with. So now is the time to start making some decisions about how we're going to be interacting with technology in the future. Because if you are a starseed, you probably have lots of unconscious memories of the AI timelines in the galaxy. They didn't go great. So this is something that we don't want to accidentally end up on the wrong bus. And it's easy to do if we don't realize that we are at a decision point. And so the P's have said that the decision point we are in right now with technology, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to get more dependent on it, or are you going to start putting it down and connecting more with your intuition, your wisdom, your own sense of knowingness and sovereignty? These lead us in very different directions. So this is what the P's wanted to chat with us about today to help us understand the importance of this decision. How are you going to move forward? It's more important than we might have realized. So that is what the P's have for you in today's POV. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done it. And as always, if you want to learn more about all the amazing tools that the P's teach in these videos, click the link in the description to work with me one-on-one. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.